Good morning, students. Today we will revise chapter 2, linear equation in one variable. Now, linear equation means it's an equation like x plus y plus z equals to 3. It's a linear equation. Okay. Linear equation means there its highest power of its variable will be 1. In all the cases their power is 1. So it is a linear equation. Now your topic is linear equation in one variable. That means that equation will have only one variable. That means any one unknown variable. Say this is, it is a linear equation in one variable. That means highest power is 1 and one variable only. Next, what we have learned, how to solve this equation. Now if I have to solve this equation, that means only one side will have variable and another will have constant. So we have to separate them. Now 14y, this minus 8, I will transpose it to the right hand side of this equation. So it is minus 8, it will become plus 8. Okay. And next it is multiplication. So we have to divide. So your answer is 2. Okay. This way we can solve a linear equation. Next, what we have learned? We have learned to solve equation having the variable in both the side. That means in both the side there is variable. So here in left hand side also it is x and this side also is x. So your first work is you have to write this variable, the terms with variable in one side and that constant to other hand side. So this x you have to transpose it to this side and minus 3 you have to transport this to right hand side. So you will write 2x, this plus x, so when it will come to the left hand side it will become minus x and this plus 2 will remain, this minus 3 when you will transpose it will become plus 3. Okay, so 2x minus x is x and 2 plus 3 is 5. Understood? Next, what we have learned? We have learned to reduce equation to its linear form. The usual linear form, that equation is not written. So first you have to reduce that equation in its linear form. Say x plus 1 by 2x plus 3 equals to 3 by 8. Okay. So this is not the usual form of writing linear equation. So first we have to reduce it in its linear form. So what you will do? You will cross multiply. Okay. So 8 into x plus 1 equals to 3 into 2x plus 3. Okay. So both the term has to be multiplied by 8. This is 8x plus 8 and 6x plus 9. Next, the same way that we have done earlier, this you have to bring this variable term in one side and this constant to the other hand side. So 8x and this plus 6, when you bring it to the left hand side it will become minus 6x and 9 minus 8. So 8x minus 6x is 2x and this is 1. So x will be 1 by 2. Okay. Now if that linear equation is not in so easy form. Okay, so first reduce equation to its simpler form, then you solve. Say there is an equation which is 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 equals to 2 by 3 minus t. Okay, what you have to do? You have to multiply all the term by the LCM of their denominator. So denominator is 4, 3, 3 and LCM of 4, 3, 3 is 12. So all the term has to be multiplied by 12. Now if I multiply all the term by 12, what will become? 12 into 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 12 into 2t plus 3 by 3 equals to 12 into 2 by 3 minus 12t. Okay, now this 3 4 4, so what it will become? 3 into 3t minus 2 4 2t minus plus 3 equals to 8 minus 12t. Why I have done this? To remove their denominators. Now I will open this bracket. 9t minus 6, 8t minus 12, 8 minus 12t. Now I will write this variable term in one side. So 9t minus 8t plus 12t equals to this 8, this plus 6 plus 12. Now this will be 13t and this will be 26. So t equals to 26 by 13, that is 2. That means when that equation is not given in usual form or in different form, first you have to reduce this equation in simpler form. Okay, now what we have learned other than this? You have learned how to form an equation when the different conditions are given, and you can apply that knowledge to solve many problems in your daily life also. Say I'll take an example like the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio of 5:7. Okay, 4 years from now the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Okay, so now it is this after 4 years, it will be 3:4. So say if the present age is 5x and 7x, so after 4 years it will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. Okay, so 5x after 4 years their ratio will be this. This is according to the given condition, it will be 3/4. Okay, now you cross multiply. What it will? 4 into 5x plus 4 was to 3 into 7x plus 4. Okay, so 20x plus 16 goes to 21x plus 12. Now 20x minus 21x equals to 12 minus 16. So this is minus x minus 4, minus minus will get cancelled, so equals to 4. So their present age will be 5x means 5 into 4 is 20 and 7x is 7 into 4 equals to 28 years. Okay, this way you can use your knowledge to form different equation and find out their solution. Okay, and if you are asked to subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you will get 1 by 8. What is the number? So first you have to form that equation. Subtract 1 by 2, subtract 1 by 2 from a number. So number you don't know, so you take x minus 1 by 2 equals to multiply the result by 1 by 2. This result has to be multiplied by 1 by 2 and you will get 1 by 8. You have to solve this equation. So x by 2 minus 1 by 4, it is 1 by 8. So x by 2 equals to 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4. You have to add, then solve. Okay. Now take another example. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Okay. Say you don't know the digits, but sum is given. So if one is x, so another one will be 9 minus x. Now how to write a 2-digit number? So if it is tens place number, it will be 10x plus 9 minus x. Okay. Now you have to interchange this digit. So now it will become, it is one number, it will come to its tens place. So 9 minus x into 10 plus x is another number. Okay. Now this is greater than the original number by 27. That means this number is greater than this by 27. So 10x plus 9 minus x by 27 equals to 9 minus x into 10 plus x. Okay. Now you open this bracket and solve it. Understood? This way you can use your knowledge to form an equation and you can find out its solution to solve your problems. Thank you.